In today's video, I'm going to teach you Squarespace, how to add a button to the main navigation. A prominent button in your top navigation is perfect for calls to action like Book Now, Shop, or Contact. And setting it up takes just a moment once you know where to look. Start by opening your Squarespace website. If you're on the dashboard, click into the site you want to edit. Once your home page loads, enter editing mode by clicking Edit at the top of the page. You should see editing outlines and controls appear on the page. If you don't, try clicking Edit again so you're definitely inside the site editor. Next, move your mouse over the header area at the top of the page, the section that contains your logo and navigation links. You'll see an option to edit the header. Click Edit Site Header to open the Header Settings panel. This is where you control your main navigation layout and any extra items that appear alongside it. Inside the header editor, look for the option to add elements. Click Add Elements. A list of available header items will appear. Choose the button element. Turning this on places a call to action button in your main navigation area, usually on the right side of the header. With the button added, open its settings. Use the text field to enter the label you want visitors to see. Keep it short and action-focused, like Book Now, Get Started, or Contact. Then set the link. You can point it to an existing page on your site, a specific section on a page, a product, or an external URL. If you're linking to an external site, consider enabling the option to open in a new tab so visitors don't lose their place on your site. Depending on your template and header layout, you may also see design options here. Pick a style that matches your brand, such as a solid or outline button, and check the alignment so it sits neatly with your other navigation items. Aim for strong contrast so the button is easy to spot. When everything looks good, click Save at the top of the editor to publish your changes. After saving, test the button by clicking it to confirm the link works. Peek at your site on mobile as well. Some themes place the button inside the mobile menu, so make sure the label reads clearly on small screens. That's it. You've added a clean, effective call-to-action button to your Squarespace main navigation. Keep the label concise, link it to your most important action, and you'll guide